Welcome to 24 Baden Street, a 3-bedroom end-unit townhome enjoying a fantastic location within the Trinity-Bellwoods neighbourhood of Toronto's West End. The main level has an open concept design, and an oversized south-facing window in the living room floods this as well as the adjacent dining area with bright, warm natural light. While wood finishes such as the trim along the staircase's half wall, custom locally milled shelves, and the vintage dark-stained parquet hardwood flooring enhance the warmth of these combined entertaining spaces. Vintage overhead light fixtures are also featured in the living and dining rooms, as well as in the renovated custom kitchen, which has touch LED undermount pot lighting for added brightness, and also showcases live edge reclaimed wood open shelving, a stainless steel undermount sink, oven, fridge, and a new dishwasher, cabinetry with top-of-the-line drawer hardware, as well as both a Corian counter and a handmade artisan butcher block counter. A large window allows for soft natural light and views of the backyard, with this enchanting outdoor retreat lush with perennials and self-seeding annuals, has spring-blooming pear, serviceberry, and lilac trees, Virginia creeper for fall color, and offers ample space for sitting areas and for barbecuing. The lower level brings additional living and utility space to the home and features a combined furnace and laundry room with washer and dryer, a storage closet, storage under the stairs, and space for a home office or study nook. Has a separate entrance from the backyard, as well as a 3-piece washroom with a walk-in corner shower, and also features a family recreation area with a south-facing window, hardwood flooring, a wood-paneled ceiling, and pot lighting. Located in a friendly neighborhood that is very family-oriented, this home is in the district of one of the most sought-after junior public schools in the city, Ossington Old Orchard Public School, which has a green space with apple trees behind it. And this home is also within the catchment area of Baden Street Junior Public School, Alexander Muir Gladstone Avenue Junior and Senior Public Schools, Pope Francis Catholic Elementary School, École Élémentaire Pierre Elliott Trudeau, as well as Bloor Collegiate Institute. The stairs to the upper level has a carpet runner for added coziness, and the railing along the hallway is characteristic of the era when this home was built. Showcasing maple hardwood flooring throughout and a spacious linen closet, the second bedroom on this level features a large north-facing window overlooking the backyard garden and a large double closet with wood sliding doors. The 4-piece washroom has been fully renovated and showcases encaustic cement floor tiles, a tiled bath area with a deep soaker tub and rainfall and handheld shower heads, as well as a modern vanity with a tiled backsplash and complemented with a vintage medicine cabinet. An oversized south-facing window bathes the master bedroom in bright natural light, with this lovely retreat also featuring a swirl stucco ceiling. And the room outside its entryway has a west-facing window for wonderful afternoon light and can be used as an adjacent sitting area, a dressing room, or with the addition of a wall, a cozy third bedroom ideal as a nursery or for young children. Well situated in one of the trendiest neighborhoods of Toronto, everything you need is a short walk away, including TTC service, restaurants and cafes, food marts and specialty shops, as well as Trinity-Bellwoods Park. It's a short bike ride to downtown Toronto, while access to the Gardner Expressway to connect with the Don Valley Parkway, Highway 427, and the QEW is minutes away by car.